All right, guys, so here we are with the OMTech fiber laser 50 watt, and we're going to see how small of an IC we can decapsulate. Today's Saturday, February 21st, 30 degrees out, calling for a blizzard 50 miles south of us. Hopefully it misses us. Anyway, let's get this rolled and see what happens. It's going to get a bit noisy because I have to turn on the machine, which fires up all the fans. But let's check it out. We'll do this in real time. We're going to turn the power down just a bit. So I had it set at 60% power and I turned it down to 30. And quite honestly, I just wanted to see how small of an IC I could do this on. And give you an idea how big this is obviously a pencil point. So it works out pretty good, you know, for just the curious folk. And it's probably not going to focus in if I zoom that hard. But it's just a little guy. So yeah, that sucks. I can't zoom in super close. But anyway, the OMTech split fiber laser. I'm sorry, it's not a split. Split means there's two pieces. Mine is a compact. The OMTech compact fiber laser, 50 watt. Guys, enjoy your day. I hope you're not getting the snowstorm they're calling for, and we'll talk soon. Take care now.